Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check TikTok account password. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So there are a few ways you can do it. So the first way is to go to your settings, scroll down until we see passwords, and basically from this screen, once you unlock it, if you have saved the password with iPhone option, you will be able to see it from this screen. If you didn't save it with Chrome, with iPhone, potentially you have saved it with Chrome. So here's how to check that. So let's go to Chrome. Then you want to go to the top right under your icon and open that settings. From there, you want to click on Password Manager. And basically, if you have saved it, it's going to show up right over here. If you don't have it in all of these steps, well, you can always reset your password using TikTok, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.